how are y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and also welcome back to another episode of the Makeup Basics. Who can make me a theme tune for this? That'll be lit. So today what I'm going to be showing you is how to achieve a faux freckle look. Only recently have I been really delving into the faux freckle life, and I am really obsessed. Like, slightly once you start, it's kind of weird when you don't have them on. You feel like your look isn't complete. So I thought I would be able to show you guys an easy way to achieve faux freckles. Basically, the only thing you really need is a freckle tint or a brown eyeliner. I've got this Lottie London freckle tint, and this works perfectly because it's not too much translucent feel to it, so it actually looks like freckles. Let's get into it. So I take my freckle tint, and it's like translucent. Let me put it on my hand. It's like translucent like this. And all we're gonna do is start slowly applying this across our face in areas that we want our freckles. Okay, so how I would start is I'll start around this area on my cheeks. So look, just literally dab it like this. And don't worry about it being too much because it's translucent, so it's not too bad. And you just take your finger and then start dabbing. Dabbing all over your cheek. And at first you'll feel like, okay, nothing is actually going onto my skin, but after you build it up, after a while, it does actually come up. Then I like some on my nose, so I'm gonna just apply some on my nose like so. And because I've done this before, I'm kind of a bit more brave with it, but at first I was like, oh my god, I cannot put so many at once because it will look crazy. You just build it up, and every time you put your finger on, it takes away so much of it. But this freckle tint is the best product I've used for it. And then practically, you just keep going until you get your desired freckle effect. This is the amount of freckles that I kind of desire, but I think they look so cute. Like, what? What do you think about faux freckles? Do you like them? What do you think? I think they look hella cute, no lie. So yeah guys, that is it. That is all I do to create this little cute faux freckle look going on right here. I just add a couple of faux freckles when I just want to, you know, switch up my look a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this was easy and simple for you guys to follow. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.